This isn't just a classic car, it's the 1956 Chevrolet Bel Air Sport Coupe, restored so flawlessly it looks like chrome and nostalgia were sculpted into a masterpiece. If you think you've seen a Bel Air before, think again, because THICE 1 rewrites the definition of American style. Let's fire it up. What's up everyone, subscribe my channel. Today we're diving straight into one of the most iconic machines ever to roll out of Detroit, an automotive masterpiece from an era when chrome ruled the streets, tail fins became cultural symbols, and American style meant bold lines, big engines, and unforgettable presence. This is the 1956 Chevrolet Bel Air Sport Coupe, a car that didn't just shape the landscape of 1950s motoring, it defined it. And in today's video, I'm taking you through every inch of this legendary build, from its history to its craftsmanship, its custom touches, its purpose, and why this particular classic has become one of the most desirable collector cars in the world. The 1956 Bel Air Sport Coupe arrived in the middle of the Tree 5 era, arguably the most celebrated generation of Chevrolets ever built. 1955 introduced the small block V8 revolution. 1957 brought the sharpest fins and chrome excess, but 1956, that was the perfect middle child, balanced, refined, the sweet spot between clean design and flamboyant style. And this one here, this Bel Air Sport Coupe, makes that era feel alive again. When you see it sitting there with its two-tone paint, sweeping rear quarters, and floating hardtop roofline, you instantly feel the nostalgia, the culture, and the craftsmanship of a time when American cars looked like rolling artwork. The Sport Coupe version was the top of the line, two-door hardtop, no B pillar, no interruptions, just pure glass and metal connecting in an unbroken line that made the whole car look like it was moving even while it was standing still. This is one of those shapes that needs no introduction. It's recognizable from a mile away. The wraparound windshield says 1950s American optimism. The chrome grille with the dual rockets on either side screams classic Chevrolet confidence. The tail fins, subtle compared to the 57 but brilliantly sculpted, provide that timeless forward thrusting stance. Under the hood, the 1956 Bel Air could be optioned with the legendary 265 cubic inch small block V8. This engine didn't just power a car, it started an empire. Chevrolet built its performance legacy on this block. Hot rodders loved it, racers loved it, and even today, builders continue to push this platform into insane horsepower territory. The 1956 lineup introduced upgrades like the Super Turbo Fire, V8, higher compression, and optional 4-barrel carburetion, making it one of the earliest mainstream American cars to blend style with real performance credibility. But this build, the one we're spotlighting in today's video, is far from stock. This is not a museum piece frozen in 1956. This is a fully custom Bel Air Sport Coupe crafted with modern engineering, luxury touches, and high-end performance upgrades, while still staying faithful to the spirit of the Tree 5 era. When you look at it, you see the past. But when you drive it, you feel the present. Every inch has been restored, reimagined, refinished, and refined to absolutely premium standards. The paintwork alone is a statement. Deep, ultra smooth mirror finish 2, tone that takes hundreds of hours of blocking, layering, sanding, and polishing to achieve. Under showroom lighting, the reflections stretch across the body like liquid glass. You can see the curvature of the fenders, the sweep of the chrome, and the razor straight lines that separate the tones. This isn't just paint, this is art. The chrome is another level. Every bumper, every trim piece, every accent has been either restored or replaced with show-grade chrome that looks like it was dipped in pure silver. It's the kind of chrome that turns heads before the engine even starts. It looks expensive because it is expensive, and on a Bel Air, chrome isn't a detail, it's a personality. The interior takes you even deeper into that luxury-driven craftsmanship. The Bel Air always had that signature 1950s flair, patterned upholstery, bright trim, and that unforgettable dual-tone dashboard with its sweeping instrument cluster. But in this custom build, everything has been elevated. Premium leather, custom stitching, polished billet accents, modern hidden audio, upgraded gauges, and subtle LED lighting give the cabin a rich, tailored feel while keeping the vintage character intact. When you slide in, you feel like you've stepped into 1956, but in the Penthouse edition, underneath, it gets even better. This Bel Air doesn't ride on aging A50s technology. The chassis has been updated with modern suspension components, giving it a smooth, planted ride. Power steering, power brakes, disc brake upgrades, and performance shocks make it drive like a modern cruiser. You get the look of yesterday with the feel of today. It's the best of both worlds. Classic style with actual usability. And of course, the engine bay is the crown jewel. Whether it's a stroked small block V8, a performance-built 350, or even a modern LS conversion, this Bel Air has the heartbeat to match its looks. Clean wiring, smooth firewall, polished components, chromed covers, detailed brackets, braided lines, everything is arranged with show quality precision. Pop the hood and it's a spotlight moment all by itself. So why does the 1956 Bel Air Sport Coupe stand above so many other classics? Because it represents the perfect fusion of heritage and customization. It's iconic without being overdone. It's vintage without being outdated. It's instantly recognizable, but endlessly customizable. And unlike many classic cars that rely on nostalgia alone, the Bel Air carries genuine design achievement. It's not only cool, it's historically important. Collectors chase these cars because they offer everything: looks, presence, sound, road manners, culture, and a massive aftermarket ecosystem. Whether you want a stock restoration, a performance estimate, or a show-level custom build, the Bel Air can be anything you want it to be. And this custom sport coupe is a prime example of why these cars dominate auctions, win awards, and continue to climb in value every single year. Owning a 1956 Bel Air Sport Coupe isn't just owning a car, it's owning a chapter of American identity. It's the kind of machine that pulls crowds at gas stations, sparks conversations with strangers, and turns casual car fans into lifelong gearheads. It brings generations together. It carries stories, it represents craftsmanship, and more than anything else, it represents a time when cars had soul, big chrome soul. So if you're watching this video right now, make sure you appreciate every curve, every reflection, every sound, and every detail of this classic masterpiece. Because this isn't just an old car, it's a rolling sculpture, a symbol of innovation, a piece of automotive art brought back to life with passion, skill, and respect for the era. And if you're new here or you're ready for more legendary classics, wild customs, and high-end builds, you already know what to do. What's up, everyone? Subscribe my channel. More insane content is on the way, and the next car might just blow your mind even more than this 1956 Chevrolet Bel Air Sport Coupe.